Hello, everyone. Today's story is about wisdom and perception. It's about how intelligence and honesty can outshine strength and trickery. By the end, you'll see that true intelligence isn't just about being clever, it's about using wisdom for good. The Clever Rabbit. Once upon a time in a dense forest, there lived a clever jackal. He was not the strongest animal in the forest, but he was the smartest. The jackal always found a way to escape danger and find food, even when times were hard. One day, as the jackal wandered through the forest looking for food, he heard a loud roar. He quickly hid behind a bush and peered through the leaves. In the clearing ahead, he saw a mighty lion. The lion was feared by all animals in the forest, but today he looked weak and hungry. The jackal was curious. "Why is the mighty lion looking so weak?" he thought. He stepped out carefully and greeted the lion. "O king of the forest, what troubles you today? You seem unwell." The lion sighed. "I am old now, and my legs are not as strong as before. I can no longer hunt like I used to. Without food, I grow weaker every day." The jackal thought for a moment. He saw an opportunity. "My dear king," he said, "you should not worry about hunting. You are the ruler of this forest. Other animals should come to you. If you allow me, I can bring you food every day." The lion's eyes shone with interest. "And how will you do that?" he asked. The jackal smiled. "I will spread the word in the forest that you are a kind and just king. If animals come to pay their respects, you can have your meal without any effort." The lion liked the idea. "Very well," he said. "You may do as you please, but do not fail me." The jackal ran to the other animals and spread the news. "Our mighty king is wise and kind. He has invited all animals to visit his cave and seek his blessings. This is a rare chance to meet the great lion." Many animals were excited. They had always feared the lion, but they also respected him. The next day, a deer went to the lion's cave. As soon as it entered, the lion pounced on it and had his meal. The jackal saw this and smiled. "My plan is working," he thought. Every day, the jackal tricked an animal into visiting the cave. The lion grew stronger again, but the jackal was careful never to enter the cave himself. He did not trust the lion completely. One day, a clever rabbit was chosen to visit the lion, but the rabbit was suspicious. He had noticed that many animals had gone to meet the lion, but none had returned. "Something is not right," he thought. The rabbit came up with a plan. He walked very slowly to the lion's cave and arrived late. The lion was very hungry and angry. "Why are you so late?" he roared. The rabbit bowed. "Oh, king, please forgive me. I was on my way early in the morning, but I met another lion on the way. He stopped me and said that he is the real king of the forest. He said that you are old and weak. He challenged you." The lion roared in anger. "Who dares to challenge me? Where is he? Take me to him at once." The rabbit nodded and led the lion to a deep well nearby. "He is inside this cave, my lord," the rabbit said, pointing to the well. The lion looked inside and saw his own reflection in the water. He thought it was another lion. He roared loudly, and the echo came back. The lion grew furious. Without thinking, he jumped into the well to attack his enemy. But the well was deep, and the lion could not climb out. He struggled, but soon he drowned. The rabbit ran back to the other animals and told them what had happened. They cheered for the rabbit's cleverness. They said the jackal tricked us, but the rabbit saved us. The jackal, afraid of the animal's anger, ran away from the forest and was never seen again. The forest was peaceful once more. The animals learned that cleverness is important, but it should never be used to harm others. And from that day on, they were more careful about whom they trusted. That's the end of today's story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something valuable. Remember, true intelligence is not just about being clever, it's about using wisdom wisely and honestly. Hope you enjoyed the story and learned something new. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next story. Thanks for watching.